Okay, we're back in action. Dallas, Texas. What a clumsy guy he is. Greenland ALT. What is he doing? Mexico. I thought this was going to be the OG. Ohio. Estonia from 1994. Pakistan from 2005. What are you doing, man? India was there. Lithuania and... Okay, I'm just going to skip this part. Actually, that ESLM was pretty short. Let's just move on. Bangladesh disappears out of the dimension, like in the distance. This is a remastered version of Iceland. Thankfully, he wasn't spinning. The US Virgin Islands. The British one was there as well for like just a nanosecond. I don't know how the hell this flashlight got damaged, said India. South-centered island. Get it? Eyes in the dark? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's Mr. Incredible becoming Uncanny Phrase 30. Actually, it's from Paper Mario. It's a next spot. Stop! And then flashing images happen. I won't say the line from India because I might just have to die. Bolivia. Ecuador. What is that? This is censored. Greek. Thailand. Motorbike. Burma was like, what? Alright. East Timor, having a blurry image, stretches itself. Oh my god. Bahrain is just watching TV. Okay. Warning. This is called the Bahrain and Kuwait show, I guess. Chad, ALT. 45, no flash. Oh my god. The United Kingdom came for like a... Okay. Alright, Georgia. Okay, come on. Who is that? That was Moldova. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. American Samoa. This is a test of the emergency alert system, said American Samoa. However, Nigeria didn't appear because he doesn't even appear in this. Macau. Oh my god, it's Mexico. That was Italy. Madrid, Spain. I can see a ghost version of Belgium. Dominica. There's like birds everywhere. Oh. Alright. A problem has been detected and the system has been shut down to prevent this damage to your Suriname. If this is the first time you've seen this stop error screen, restart your computer. If this screen appears again, follow these steps. Check to make sure any new hardware or software is properly installed. If this is a new installation, ask your hard drive or software manufacturer for any system updates you might need. If problems continue, disable or remove my new installed hard drive or software. Disable something memory options, such as caching or shadowing. Okay, if you need to use save mode to remove or disable components, restart your computer, press something to select advanced setup options, and then select safe mode. Alright. This just goes on forever. Tuvalu. I saw India for like a nanosecond, or like just a millisecond. Cyprus. China from 1937. Okay, The music is about to become extremely scary. Please, whatever you do, do not show the Northern Cyprus. Norfolk Island. Well, another one is screaming. Oh my god. Oh, it's Florida. Why do you keep spinning? Mauritania. Distorted than the Indian one. The US from 1973. Sorry, no gas. Please go. Anguilla fan-made. Why? Why does it have to have some flashing images? St. Kitts and Nevis. Cambodia. Is that originally going to be Cambodia? According to Yakko from Yakko's World, from Animaniacs. Molecular Palau. France from 1940. Eats an ice cream. Belgium from 1940 and becomes a ghost like before. Why is he always a ghost? Was that Bommy again? That I saw on Ukrainians one? Congo. Alright. This is nothing but chaotic. Libya, sorry. Papua New Guinea ALT. A low-pitched version of Morocco's. While San Marino's like, "Woo!" Tajikistan remaster. El Salvador. Kuwait from 1919. Alright. This is scaring the hell out of me. Okay. Make it stop. Slovakia ALT. Alright. I saw a robot for like a millisecond. New Jersey again. Italy from 1943. That doesn't sound like an alarm. It sounds like taking a crap. Okay, move on. India. It sounds like an air horn. Estonia from 1953. Sorry, not 1933. 1953. Why are you sad, girl? You're supposed to be happy, not sad. Probably just to give the implication that she doesn't have any friends. Northern Ireland. Copying Canada's one, but Canada does not appear again. That's not Ecuador, that's South Africa. Vatican City. I like this version better than the ALT. Maryland from the United States. You have a blue face. The original one was like, what the? Doesn't get it. Belize. Djibouti's up next, and just firing a gun. Somalia. Are you activating a button or just dropping a nuke? It's Colorado. 1949 Greece. Ghana ALT. What was that? Uh-oh. South Korea from 1950. Oh. Lesotho. Name is too long. St. Kitts and Nevis is playing a modified trumpets. Unlike the line said by David Newman. Alright. Anguilla is glitching. It's from 1969. Okay. Okay. It's played on a music box, but with glitchy noises. Thankfully, they weren't screaming it around. South Dakota. It's from the United States. Johnson Atoll. Do you mean the Bikini Atoll? Aruba. Thankfully, the Netherlands doesn't appear, because he doesn't appear in the shots. Cameroon. Why do you have like a big face? Because he just wants to be big. Zooms into a star. Luxembourg is speaking in German while it actually translates into English. Okay. This one is absolutely terrifying, but if there's a Malaysia from 1942 one, I'm gonna be freaked out. I might just have to skip this one because I do not want you to become traumatized. Again, Cameroon. Niger. Hitting Nigeria in the head. Nomakia. fictional country. Oh my god. Kazakhstan just found a realistic version of Balmy, only without the face. It's Russia! Alright, the United States of America. You have a long face. Alright. Your flag is upside down! Alright. Canada is just keep pushing back and just keep pushing to the left and just keeps pushing to the right. It's probably because she's most likely a voodoo doll version. It's probably because the voodoo doll version of herself is absolutely caused by someone, mostly the United States, probably just like hitting the voodoo doll back, left, and right, which causes the original version of her getting pushed back and right, left and right. Sorry, she's not made out of voodoo doll. Alright. It just shows Greenland instead of Japan. That's completely uncanny. That's the UK. Mexico. Guatemala. Belize, ALT. Almost just headed. Alright. That was Iceland. El Salvador. America was there. You have so many appearances, America. Why are you making so many goddamn appearances? You need to stop making appearances in the United States because you're just keep... Costa Rica and Thailand. Honduras. Visibly angry. Nicaragua and Switzerland. Explosion coming out of nowhere. Panama from ALT. Slapped. Colombia. It's Brazil, having a bad day. Actually, he's not waking up on the wrong side of the bed. Alright. Venezuela is the ALT version. In the middle, we can see Venezuela. On the left, you can see it. You can see a phone, and on the right, Canada appears, having like a worried face on her face. A worried, what the hell is that face? I think this is probably used for the character Canada, I guess. There's no animation for Canada in this one. Peru. Okay. Paraguay is my frenemy. Oh my god. Acting like the Moai meme. Bolivia. It's the prelude. Chile. Why does he have long legs? He's supposed to have normal legs like the rest. Not extremely long. Uruguay on a train. Crushed by Kosovo. That was the Falkland Islands and the Argentina ALT countries. Brazil. Guyana. Actually, it's from JB Ribbons one, like I previously did before. Suriname. There's so many errors. French Guiana. There's France. Okay. Now French Guiana is just sitting there watching TV, only without a face. Completely faceless. That's South Africa! Okay. Reminded by... Okay. South Korea is just lagging. Please, not a Windows XP error. Oh. North Korea. North Korea just switching the light off and on. How do you do that? Move on, please. Alright. After like a series of ES alarms, Japan is finally back after not making any other appearances. He is absolutely back here. That's why Japan is a male, you know that. China. Oh, it's Siren Head. China is about to summon Siren Head while Chicago is like, hey, you stole my ES alarm, fool, China. China was like, everyone, seek shelter immediately. Alright, it's Mongolia. Oh no. No, I hate Russia so much. End my life, please.